Hello everyone. Recently, I got the chance to attend session with Dr. Prabhat Kaushik sir, the founder of Education Beyond Work. In the session, sir has spoke about the attributes every teacher must have. And in this video, I would like to share what I have learned, especially about the classroom discipline, or we can say the effective classroom management. So, before starting, I would like to ask what you really think, what a teacher wants when he or she in the class. I think every teacher wishes a class where students get engaged, feel motivated, collaborate effectively, and work efficiently. But how we can achieve it? It can be achieved by maintaining discipline in the class. And what it really requires? For maintaining discipline in the classroom, it requires a blend of skills, strategies, and a deep understanding of student needs. Here, I will explain some key points which Sir has explained in the session to maintain effective discipline in the class. So firstly, every teacher have to build up a positive learning environment in their class, means where the student feel supported, safe and respected. Secondly, teacher have to establish clear rules and routine that should be followed by student in the class. Next, teacher should have to put effort for making their lessons more interesting so that the student will not get distracted. Apart from this, teacher also have to give tangible rewards to the students like a chocolate, a pen, or the clapping for the students. Furtherly, teacher also have to establish clear expectations from the students. Means that how a student have to behave when he or she in the class. Apart from this, teacher have to observe their student behavior in the class, also avoid sarcasm and expect from that a teacher always should be fair with the students. So, it was a great session. Thank you so much, sir.